She only care about your youth. What to your baby mother?
She need to know what she do. Cause she no big woman.
You know someone have to stay active, right?
So you know just wake up in the morning and go do some exercise. You tell me about stay active.
Listen to me, Sheldon. I have to come out of the house here. Come up and stay in so and be no all up, baby mother. Here? You see me how I look? I catch us. Me not care, me not staying in here, Sheldon. Company I look. I'm trying to use the outer door.
I don't mean to interrupt, but Mr. Sheldon, the bag.
Which bag? Bag not change it, Sheldon?
Do ya?
No, man.
Watch her.
Why the bag not change, Sheldon? Nurse, why the bag not change it?
Well, Mr. Sheldon was on his phone and
Why you so difficult sometimes? If I don't change the bag, I can get infection, brother. And jeez, man.
Every day you come with this bag of jam. You a drama queen? The nurse done explain that to me already.
Actor boy, the bag still not change. And you can't change it.
Miss Princess, it's fine. I can do it now.
No, it's okay. I will do it. I'll do it.
Are you
Never
sure,
do it.
Miss Princess?
It's okay. I'll do it. You can take your break now.
Alright, thank you. So I'll just go by the road.
What I know? Yeah.
I'll just go and get something down the road, alright?
Okay.
Oh,
Move your hand now.
I'll give you man.
So Sheldon, we ain't not on phone.
You know, so when I rather you me there chat to the man late 3 times I make me lose a client.
So what you gonna do about that?
Tell him to park the bike, you know. And left the key.
See you in the fire him.
That's why I tell him to park the bike.
You need to tell him say fired. You're too easy upon them.
I try when I use them from the black man. I just try to help him out, you see me?
But them not help themselves, Sheldon. No, it's not the time to feel sorry for anybody at all.
The last one in the game, babes. Last one.
Look at me. Find somebody else. A business you operate. Yeah? It's not right for any big company, them have to regulate.
Real talk, can't make any babes.
You go too easy on them. Yeah?
You don't know a garrison in a penny.
Sheldon, can I take them here yet? By the way, you call that?
One time, me and him raising but I'm over here chatting with no man. Well, I'm not penny. Me not eat the food yet, you know.
Me give it me and...
But me not eat the food yet. When me eat the food, me take the
Okay,
pill.
you're gonna try to skip everything. Listen to me.
But
You
me
need to
can't.
call your friend that I want to really see with them here.
It's funny you say that. Cause when I time you never that say. You're praying.
Me never pray that I don't at all. You ever in a badness and I go out with yourself and use film name and want me eat the brother. You.
Me?
Are you?
No, I say, yo, you can't
Oh,
send people to
police.
a prison, you know.
What about Karim?
Yo, that the man they call me every day, the man can chat, you know.
I care the man care for your friend you really know brother. Babe, if I talk to Dada here.
Bomba. Me I chat to him, man, but I want to get over the surgery something first. You see me, babes?
Babe, I understand. But you have to talk to your friends them. Here? Especially Dada. Him one of the realest.
You'll be soon. I link him, man. No worry.
Promise?
Yeah, round 4 about me, you know. Can't wait to get back on my foot, you know. So, Prinny, why you not tell me what your manager say? When about the performance thing, I tell you.
She said what any regular manager would have say.
What that?
We still have to work.
So me I tell you about that girl though. That's money alone she a pray, you know. She don't care nothing about you, know.
I tell you something, Sheldon. I mean, I beg you, please. Don't get upset.
What that now?
Them want me pay back every money, every dollar what them spend, even though I'm pregnant.
So what that mean? Them still want you to perform?
Yes, sir.
You know you not do that though.
I tell her, you know, but Sheldon, you see, after the surgery, I could try to find a physiotherapist for you, so I'm gonna need some extra money.
So I'm the nurse.
That's not a specialty, Sheldon.
Hey, I don't hope so you not try that something there again.
Sheldon, that ship the sail. I'm not doing that. I'm online now trying to find one. A good one.
Make sure it's a woman you find. Cause you know no man to me thing.
Yes, sir. Me hear you loud and...
How you see? You find one already?
I'm gonna find one yet. I'm gonna find something.
So Prinny, tell me what you find now. Oh, sexy girl.
I am back.
Okay.
Next thing, Prinny. When I show up my barber for you, tell him to leave me tomorrow, yeah?
Okay. Nurse, can you talk to your side, please?
Yeah, sure.
Go ahead.
I don't want on the TV, yeah. I'll remove it.
Is something wrong?
Nurse Peters, have you ever worked with a doctor called Maxine Grant?
Vegetarian or you just don't like oxtail?
Well, I used to, but the only thing I eat now is like chicken or fish.
So I don't know that.
Yeah. So the vegetable thing that you get
So she never get charged, you know. But must have been call you because you went to let her go.
Trust me, Pruny, she good. Me personally check her out before me link her and recommend her to you.
But it depends on Google, you know.
Yeah man, it did make the local news. And Dr. Grant helped her through nursing school, you know. But she never told in her because she don't want her to administer fair unapproved drugs to patients. Yeah man, she eventually got to the police after the minister daughter do a story upon her.
But one of the story they must see like an accomplice door.
Really, I saw the media still. Them have to sensationalize the story. She was actually the one where go forward and talk to the police.
But not tell no lie. You see me this is the story before, I wouldn't use her.
But no. But sometimes people get caught in a situation where they don't even want to get involved in her. But as I tell you, I do a complete background check and she is very, very good at what she do.
So yeah, so I can continue to use her.
Yes, pretty. She's a good girl.
Well, she have the patience of Job. For real. Because you see Sheldon, he was a handful.
You might give her a hard time.
If, and him stubborn,
Caroline have an excellent track record. She will know to deal with quick and take some of the stress off of you.